Everybody, and welcome to Kita's Creations. And today I'm going to show you my very first project, which is turning this simple TV tray cart. As you can see here, I had two of them, and I usually use them to eat food on in a different room. So if you're anything like me and you like to do things on a budget, I'm a mom of 7, so I try to, find things that look nice, but are inexpensive. So basically, I'm going to use this TV cart in my living room, and I've already started on part of it just for time's sake, to save us a little bit of time. I've already glued most of them down. So these are just some mirrors that I purchased at the 99-cents only store. They're about $1 a piece. And most of them are already glued down, except this, the last 3, I believe, just to show you guys how to do it. And the glue that I'm using is rubber cement. I'm using rubber cement. Of course, you can use any glue that you want on this project, but that's what I have handy, so that's what I'm using. And I'm gonna move kind of fast just so that you guys can kind of see what I'm doing here before the video stops. So this is pretty much all that I'm doing, and I'm gonna clean up that mess that I just made afterwards. So this is some hot glue. I'm using my hot glue gun too because it makes it set pretty fast. So, and it's pretty messy. So that's just something that you have to be prepared for. So this is all you do. Just lay it flat onto the tray portion of the table. You're going to do the same thing with the very last ones here. I have a towel, so I'm going to clean this a little bit up. And I'll use some glass cleaner once I'm done to clean up the last bit of glue that's on there. And it's good to remember to remove the little, there's like 4 little rubber pegs that's on the bottom of these mirrors when you purchase them. You can just pull them off for the most part, or use a razor and cut them off, whatever works. So that's enough of that glue. And the same thing with my glue gun, just going over it really briefly with that. I'm going to do the same thing here, just lay it in place and press down for just a few seconds until it sets. And of course, this is the very last one here. Another glue stick. So the same deal, go over with the rubber cement. And of course, I'm moving fast. I would hope you guys would be a little bit more careful with it. But because we have a million other things to do tonight, it's a school night, so I'm just trying to get done with this project so that I can go ahead and add it to the living room. Of course, I still gotta have time to get the kids in bed. So I'm almost done. There we go. Same deal. Just lay it down, press down until the glue sets. And lastly, as you can see right here along the edges, I'm adding these little stones. I purchased these as well from, I have glue on my nails, sorry, But I purchased these as well from the 99 cents only store. They come in a big bag for $1. And that's what I'm placing right here on the edge, just for a little bit of definition. Gives it a little bit of a cuter look to me. So I'm adding glue to these as well. And they set pretty quick. Just like that. So I'm going to do that the whole way around. And I'll come back when I'm pretty much done. Okay, so I'm going to just show you guys the portion that I've done already. But this is pretty much what it's going to look like once it's finished with all the mirrors on. And as you can see, I used 2 of the really decorative mirrors in the center. They also have those at the 99 cents only store. And so I spray painted the legs here. I don't know if I already mentioned that. But I took the tray outside and I spray painted it like a metallic gold color. And once it dried, I added the mirrors and the stones along the side. So this is the finished project. For the most part, is finished. I still have to clean it up a little bit, wipe it down, you know, get the excess little glue that's on there off. But pretty much this is the finished project. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you like my video, feel free to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. And you guys have a good evening.